Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download an SVG and upload it into your Cricut design space. So for those of you who have purchased a Close to My Heart SVG or digital file, you're going to find those within your account on the Close to My Heart page. You can go to my website, brainmontgomery.closetomyheart.ca, and you're going to click the sign in button, which is up here. And once you're signed in, it's replaced with your name and this little profile. You're going to want to click the link and go to your account. In your account, you're going to want to go to your digital library, which is located on the left-hand side. In your digital library, you're going to find all of the different downloads that you may have received or purchased through Close to My Heart. Find the digital download that you're interested in using, click download, and a zipped folder is going to open in your screen. When you have that folder, you're going to want to come up to the Extract All button and click Extract All. You can't use this if it's still in a zip format. Choose where you want to extract your folder to. You can select a different spot in your browse if you would like, and hit Extract. Once that opens up, it's now in a usable format. So I'm just going to close both these windows, and I'm now going to open my Cricut design space. In the Cricut design space, you're going to want to go to the little cloud on the bottom that says Upload and click there. In the Upload tab, you're going to see you can upload an image or a pattern fill. For the purposes of what we're doing, you're going to upload an image. Once you click there, you're going to click Browse. And then you're going to want to go to the destination of the image that you want to place in. Now mine was in Downloads and it was the Celebrate, but it was unzipped. So I'm going to go to the one that shows the unzipped file. And you want to click on the one that has a little internet logo. If it's successful, you'll see the image within the image screen, and you can add some tags. I highly recommend you do this if you want to search later on for these images. You can click Save, and then you can see your image now in the Upload File section. So whenever you want to use one of these files, you just have to go click here, click on the image, insert the image into your Cricut design space, and now you can use it as you see fit. That's how easy it is to download and upload an SVG file. Thanks for watching.